All right, today I have reduced the number of collisions uh, between the enemies. So right now we had maybe 6 enemies on screen. I guess you can rewind and let me know. I'm in invincible mode right now, so we'll just let as many appear as we want. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're not colliding with each other. Um, 5 here. So definitely an improvement. So I've only played sub-level 3 2 times. This is only the second time, and I haven't seen any collisions yet. So, seems to have fixed it. Um, all I did was that when... So the enemies have tried to avoid collisions with each other for a long time. And the only thing I changed is at what distance do they do it. So it used to be 40 units, and now it's 60 units. Um, for some reason, when they're trying to avoid a collision with the player, like that green ship just did, for some reason they need 60 units to avoid a collision with they need to start moving away from the player at 60 units of distance. But for some reason, to avoid collisions with each other, if you set that to 60, they're way too far apart and they go like off the sides of the screen, and once they disappear from the screen, I've coded it so that they disappear forever, because they're usually going off the bottom or near the bottom like that. So yeah, and the only reason I hesitated to do this for so long, so I haven't changed the friendly fire at all. That to me, that's not as bad as the enemy collisions. And the only reason I hesitated to do this for so long was just because the way that I coded this is pretty messy. It has duplicate code, and it has an output parameter. So if you know what that is, you know it's not considered a very clean style. But anyway, yeah, it's definitely fixed the enemies colliding with each other. And here you've also seen the change where the green enemies only start appearing at level 2. So, yeah. That's it for today. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you later.